She telling me to wait. What more to wear the tree? Christmas is in full effect at the Gregory residence. So this like my third year. All the family will be here later, so y'all know we get turned. On the phone Christmas morning, running her mouth. Show me Tio again. Let me show y'all my. You know my mama get somebody a throwback gift every year. Look at her carry bag. Mama said that's when she been so innocent. So, I got my vlog camera ready. Y'all know we be turned. I'm about to go drink a mimosa. I ain't even eat yet. Merry Christmas. I about to sit and open my gifts. I got gifts. Oh, and my little brother is really like grumpy old man, but he come through and give everybody little stacks for Christmas. Child, I got my stacks. I here in Charleston. Y'all know I going out with us tomorrow to the clearance sale, Walmart markdown. So couponers, this our season. We start shopping for Christmas 2020 doing holiday markdowns. Don't judge us, get like us. Alright, thank you. Oh, they open me cute. Oh, them little thick legs. Hey, Royal! Hey, Kai! Alright, manager. Put that back. Go put that back. Oh, yes, sir. She was. Let me see. That's like a throwback.
I remember that. Second grade, third grade,
everybody get a throwback gift. Where you find the picture? So you can't say we don't ever get you nothing.
Look.
Hey, need.
Well, I had me to call Nikki and tell Nikki she freaks for pocketbook.
For real?
Yes, Lord. She go fool over pocketbook.
Well, you already get her bag from Nikki?
I don't think so. I ain't seen him over there.
So that was a new scent this season called Graphite.
Yeah.
So I figured you would like that. Men's Bath and Body. Open your gift, baby.
Yeah.
See, I know you know who he is, Kai. I don't know. What is this? Open it to see.
Open it to see. First, when you had
That's a canvas something made me. Oh, that's that Boston Festival night. Move back to family cookout. Oh, now when people walk in my house, will be like, she conceited or something. She got a picture of herself in it. I can hang this up in there.
That's all going on now. You got pictures of yourself in the house.
You don't think people
walking out? I'm on Dad's house. Where you see?
You don't
I
think
be in her living room and surrounded.
what y'all think? Y'all don't think people will be like, ooh, child.
Kaya.
I had to open it.
Kaya, watch out.
I don't got nothing on my wall, but okay, thank you. You got it?
Yeah.
Kaya done pick up Royal. I got my other gift here.
Y'all watch out. Let me see this.
You can't see that, you around there.
No, don't open that up.
And I got my wallflowers, right? And I got my picture. But I got something real significant. This is a good gift, but this means something. I guess because I always going someplace, look like that. And it's rose gold, y'all know I love anything rose gold.
That's a nice dog thing, man.
I fly. So this like, since I always going someplace, I guess that's subtle shade.
Royal, I had a bag too.
And he on wheels, look. Spend me. I walk to the airport. I got the fancy and shit. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Look.
Alright, I'm cutting this girl. Merry Christmas.
Gift for Christmas from Mama is a bottle of Patron. That shit. That should say something. A bottle of Patron. Do some picture too. I remember that name. Y'all think we look alike? No.
Yeah.
What do you think, Roy? You think we look alike? Yeah?
they fucking the thug. These when I'm sitting so nobody just like me. Need what you need like me. Ain't nobody got a funny tip I was in rock just like me. I got my control. I wanna fuck in the mirror. I like to look at your face when you in it. Like in the kitchen and heat up the tent. Honey said they have a
You dropped the shirt. Oh, nigga, look. What you say? I am telling Terry.
On the video, baby, you want Snapchat tonight.
Who's mama getting down? You still pouring drink. What she gonna drink? Make sure I got y'all on the vlog.
Every time I call this phone, I burn out stuff. See,
We trying to see if she block or not.
I check to see if Bernard used to chit chat at least once.
Well, see the phone block. That's what I do right now. You talking about? See the phone block.
Put a phone there, Bernard.
Yeah, but he can pause. You just don't answer.
I being nosy.
No, so that's what. Do we say good evening to these yet? Come over here for cake.
Yeah, she didn't drop all the damn ass
With the cake flour, I added a box of lemon jello instant pudding. Got real lemon juice, real lemon zest, lemon extract, little vanilla extract, all that. Look how moist this cake is, y'all.
Well, I didn't get much of the Christmas party because I had get tipsy and fell asleep. So I'm gonna have to pick this vlog up at the clearance sale tomorrow, y'all. Stop in here, she complaining.
Christmas, the fireside is blazing bright. Traveling through the night.
Moving fast, girl. Why you shake that jingle bell, yeah. Now moving fast, girl.